Alright, so I got my new pump here. Here's my new pump. It comes with all the seals. It comes with everything you're gonna need basically. You got one seal and the rings on here with new front pump bolts. Alright, so I'll go over this real quick with y'all. No big deal. This is a brand new pump. Again, I'm chasing P0944, doing exactly what the insurance adjuster said to do. Here's a seal. So what we got to do is get the seal down in this area here. Now what I'm going to use here is my special tool. That simply sits over there, and you just simply tap it into place. Put it on there like that. Just grab your hammer and tap. You don't need to hit too hard, but you want to get it flush. And the tool will allow you to get it flush. Okay, so there you have it right there. The seal is in place. So now what we want to do, let's install these rings. Very important rings. Okay, helps direct fluid to its proper location. You leave one of these out by accident or something like that, you would definitely know it was left out. I mean, you will have all kinds of problems, man. I don't even want to get into exactly what problems you have. All right, now next, obviously we'll go here is the paper gasket and the O-ring. So, all right, have the paper, the rest of the kit right here. So let's get in here and get this paper gasket out. So here's the remaining parts for the brand new pump. So let's get the O-ring in place. Real simple. Just put it in this groove, around and around till you get it fully seated. And we do not want to put it on dry, that's for sure. So what I'm going to use here is some trans gel right here. Just let's go over, put it on the complete O-ring. You also want to put some on the seal rings too. You don't want to install nothing inside of the unit dry, especially if it's going to contact, you know, something else. So let's get some trans gel on this ring, on these rings. Put a little in here, because remember it's a bearing that sits right on here. So, all right, paper gasket time. We're gonna make sure the gasket go in the right place, and the way to make it, or the way I do to make it stick to the pump, is simply use the trans gel. Okay, so what we're gonna do, put some trans gel all over the paper gasket, set it in place. And ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. This pump is now ready for installation. Okay, got it nice lubed up, seal in place, and ready for installation. All right, so the removal process is pretty much, well, the installation process is pretty much a reversal of the removal process. So I won't bother filming that. So I'll wrap this video up. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.